West Kingston Commission says government should apologize to Tivoli Gardens residents for the May 2010 operation. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the Commission believes some people were killed in cold blood in the police military operation.
We get reactions from residents of Tivoli Gardens.
Government makes the first payment to schools to cover removal of auxiliary fees.
In business news, relief for some motorists at the pumps tomorrow.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
The West Kingston Commission of Inquiry says the government should apologize to the residents of Tivoli Gardens for the May 2010 operation. Do you agree?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.